talk again. See armed robber, they chase her. I seen the run go front. Equal see police for front. He's saying go run back to the armed robbers. Say because in life they safer with armed robbers than police. It's funny, but you know funny. My people wanna do. If I today be the first time they reach my channel, welcome to my channel. When I don't they come before, welcome back. Before I continue, make I just remind you and say, you see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Nah so for today's video, now another video where I would like to speak for pidgin because not be every time they like make outsiders they hear our matter. So I won't talk this video for pidgin English. This thing don't bother my mind for some time now. Don't bother my mind for some time now. What I want to talk about now? The thing with me I see for news. The thing I don't even know. I watched the video of one of our sisters here for YouTube. I will put her name on the screen. Who gonna go check out her video? She post different thing, but I just see that video that day and I say no, make her pull them out. Wait till we get social media for. And to discuss all this kind of matter. I'm going to discuss all this kind of matter. Wait till I won't talk. No say not too long ago they showed this boy Kolade. She been away to be named Kolade. I don't even know as they talk the story. The boy, whether they say the boy they live for South Africa before he come back to Nigeria, waiting happen. I don't know some of you if you don't hear the story. This Bobo they say they go watch football. I believe they say they go watch football. The next thing police come they drag somebody say they want to arrest the person because the person carry dada for head. They want to arrest the person. The person say, they don't even ask my ID. What should they arrest me for? What should I not be criminal? What should they arrest me for?
Is it a crime for me to have this kind of They didn't ask me anything before they start beating me.
Now people come gather. They did here. As they gather, they tell the police people say, well, that police have been as SARS. I know, they don't ever come up for Naija. They call them SARS. SARS. The next, at the end of the day, they're supposed to be there to enforce law. So may I call the law enforcement? I go call them. They're supposed to be there to protect the people. The next thing now, they make the story, to cut the story, long story short, this man just come out of car, just out of the bus, just begin the shoot. Just shoot this boy. Whether not for beleo, I been for groin, or you go say groin. Shoot this boy. This boy just stand though, just like other people they look. As the man just come and shoot. This boy now, the bullet hit the boy. And so the boy they say he just bleeds, and so he just died.
The home of Kolade Johnson has suddenly become a place of tears and conversation in hushed voices.
Coming throwing down to watch the ball. I don't know, that would be the end.
Kolade stood right beside me. Kolade didn't talk. I was the one that spoke. The next thing I saw was he pointed the gun at us and he shot twice. I didn't even know the bullet touched Kolade.
Kolade now said, I don't die. So he was falling backward. When I now looked at him, I saw his trouser turn red. That was when I saw blood. I now shouted.
When I watched the video, I don't even know. I know they fish all those kind of video because they break heart. When I watched the video, I said, which be this boy crime in his own country? I be like, I don't get say they say the boy very day South Africa. He goes South Africa. He survives South Africa. He can't come back to his own country. To his own country. Now he just died throw away for street like mosquito, just like that. In the hands of this, I don't know what they recorded. With this video, I know what I want to talk about this video and say, should Nigeria don't become the country where no safe at all, make human be they stay. It don't reach like that. How that country? I don't know. We go talk one, another one would happen. The country people go every day our people they leave the country. Come out. Because one thing or the other one, now police were supposed to protect people. Now they come they kill people like ants everywhere. Another one again, she been a one man. They say the man they go drop in family for school. Every morning go drop his wife and children for the children's school before he go his own work. The next thing now, he do the normal U-turn. And so the wife say now everybody they do. The husband follow do the U-turn. Now they stop her. The next they start to fight. They begin the man say it turn to a big fight and argument. The next thing they carry and go station. They beat this man finish. They beat this man finish. The man collapse for ground. Now his wife they say they not really release the man. The man dey for ground. The man dey there. Now they tell they say the woman they tell they say my husband no dey okay. They say na lie they pretend. They say the man they pretend. Now the woman say may they come do this, may they look after, may they see you, may they come take her husband and go hospital. They say they pretend. They no gree answer the man. Now later they come try to lift her. The man no get up. Not be all this kind of story. You know say me, so people start to dey cry. Now small thing like this, I dey quick feel for other people. I know na my nature. I know if it change like that. I know if it change my nature. You understand? The next thing the woman say, now so the woman of 2 children, mother of 2 children. The husband they rush and go hospital. The next thing he don't die. As then police then beat the man, they don't kill him. They don't kill him. Just like that. Wetin he do that morning? Now just to carry your own family, go drop for school. After that, make you go work.
How can my husband just die and leave me and my children? So the Nigerian police kill my husband. They kill my husband, leaving me and my children. Just like that.
Law-abiding citizen for your own country. Today, the thing don't too much. This SARS, I've given a SARS they call her. Today they kill for here. Tomorrow, no, I'm not sure say they don't ever get repercussion for any of them. For your own country again, we get many problems for Nigeria. More know the denier, so everybody more the pretend. More know the denier. This is not pidgin English. We should make her talk our story. No, only we get problem for country. We're going to add all these police go keep persons, keep people. No repercussion for any of them. I don't understand the so-called policeman. You no be human being. You don't be human being. You will just waste another person's life just like that. I know the thing, the thing don't tire person. Now the thing will make many Nigerians when they are abroad no one go back. Well, how you want to go back? You go worry about armed robbers. You go worry about police who are supposed to protect you. One day for Facebook, we get this post where for Facebook people can't leave comment. Now somebody cut off for the comment say, even fear police past armed robbers. He say for Nigeria. He say if armed robber they chase her, if in they run. He say if they run from armed robber, say armed robber they chase her. Now he see police for front. He say if he see police for front, he say go run back to the armed robbers. He say because in they safer with armed robbers than police. Now I talk again. See armed robber they chase her. I see they run. Go front. He can see police for front. He saying go run back to the armed robbers. Say because in life they safer with armed robbers than police. It's funny but it's not funny. Imagine that kind of thing. This was supposed to save your life. You know, say for America, they go say that they kill only black people. They kill only black people. I'm not to say correct, but at least that one they go say, okay, racism join inside. This one now, black people to black people, we they kill ourselves. Black people to black people. Which kind of country, upon all the killing, they go say Fulani people don't kill everybody finish. Till today, they never get one single repercussion. Fulani way don't they kill people. The day where I don't want to talk with you, the one where I see for internet that day. I don't even know what I want to talk. I know they like to watch all this kind of thing because I get soft mind. I do get soft mind. All this kind of thing, if I watch something like that, I go day my mind for days, weeks. You know, they quick come off of my mind. If I watch all this kind of thing, I just see, you see all these police where they keep people. I'm not sure say go end. Why government not to do anything about her? Government not to do anything about her. Policeman go kill somebody. You go just dead news. Okay, even at the matter they hot, we get governors, we get president for the country, Abi. We get governors for every state. We get Oga Pata Pata for police. We get Oga Pata Pata for every state. You know, Oga Pata Pata for the whole country. Oga Pata Pata for every state. When I go here say on our officer keep people for nothing, everybody go sit down, they look in your own country. You know what they vex me as this? May you see this life, nobody go stay this life forever. Nobody go stay this life forever. But this life this life where everybody can come like this, everybody they find way to survive. They should count for death. They should every day. Now how we go they survive? Now everybody they find. You understand? Everybody know say we go. People know say everybody go die. But to imagine say somebody else will come cut you short. Yeah. To just imagine another person go cut another person journey short. That thing you know right at all. You know right at all. You know right. Everybody wants to stay, see old age, see grandchildren, wanting. That's the typical thing everybody they pray for be that. But to imagine say another human being like you, where all of us they pray, make we see daily bread, make we this, make we that. Another human being will come decide say you go cut your own journey short. Think I'm robber on day one side. I'm robber on day one side. What they call a kidnapper their own day. Different story up and down. The other one day. But the police will be saying that their job to keep you safe. When them become the terrorists of your own country. How it be? People will be saying that they're supposed to protect the people. Now they they waste life. I don't know because sometimes, you know, say in some country now they go come outside, they go protest. You know, the thing about to protest in Nigeria, I say, you know, many country people go come out, they go protest. Pata they go lock them up. If they're really, then they, you see, if people come protest peacefully, no be bad thing. For many part of abroad, that's what they do. If they protest, some people they just come sit down, block streets, sit down for grant. Some people go come out, reply, we billboard, what do they call it? We sign for their hand and everything. Talk what they want talk, protest what they want protest. It go end like that. But if people say they come, they break things, they damage things, they arrest those ones. But Nigeria, the thing about protest for Nigeria, I say now still there police go shoot all of them. So even in Nigeria, people on the top go say anybody where you see shoot them. value for human life no dey at all. They know they see people like say they be. I know they know they see people like human being. The way they take key people for that our country. Even the way they take key people, they don't value life. No, they don't value life at all. Anybody feel just payment just like that. Any life, they're ready to waste any life. No value for human life. So that's how they ask. I just they talking because many countries this world when you go say that the country will no safe at all for this world be this that country no safe at all. Our country join it join one of the countries where no safe at all for this life. It join. I mean they tell you. And you know what they say then. Our country, the natural resources where we get, the things where we get for that country to take better the life of people. Yet now only some people hand it the rich. Poor man life na nothing. No value for poor man life. Poor man life na nothing. Yet the poor man every day people go say okay, una no give us. They can't accept say okay na so it be. Make they just still manage their life as their life be. Everybody they hustle, go work, come back. Yet every person go come up for a house this morning. Na policeman go dey fear for road. Policeman go dey fear. It is sad. And sometimes I know. You say you don't take where I come up for Nigeria here. I don't know as things be, but it could make some people really begin they open their they speak about this matter. It could make more and more people like our big celebrities. It could make more people they raise their voice. Then they begin. I don't even know what I want to talk again. I don't go lie. I don't even know what I want to talk again. But what will be the solution? What will be the solution? Because there must be solution. Because how they go I don't even know. The way they keep people for that country, police were supposed to protect life. Police will just the one where I watched the other day. They stop this Okada people. The next thing I slap. Wah. I say waiting. See, they go put somebody for ground. They drag the person, human being. Person no commit crime. Or only say maybe they stop there for traffic lights. Reach like that. If na criminal now you grab, I go see they understand small. Ordinary person. We just they ride Okada. My people, I don't know what I want to talk again. I'm not gonna pull mouth for this matter. I go leave her for them until next time. My people, na bye bye.